Hello everyone. Let us have a look on post-COVID complications in COVID-19 survivors through this video. Over the year into the COVID-19 pandemic, scientific and clinical evidence is evolving on long-term effects of COVID-19 disease. Prolonged symptoms appear in COVID-19 survivors, and those experiencing these symptoms are called long haulers. And these prolonged symptoms are called long-term COVID or chronic COVID or post-COVID syndrome. As till now, no official term is given to these prolonged symptoms. It is very important to remember that research on COVID-19 prolonged effects has just begun. COVID-19 के prolonged effects पर research just अभी start हुआ है and today we cannot draw any firm conclusions. जो भी studies available हैं, जो भी records available हैं, they are representing only initial findings. What early reports on post-infectious consequences of COVID-19 say? Long-term complications from COVID-19 are fairly common. बहुत ही कॉमनली देखे गए हैं लॉन्ग टर्म कॉम्प्लिकेशंस इन कोविड-19 सर्वाइवर्स. इन अक्टूबर 2020, as per survey of National Institute for Health Research in United Kingdom, 10 to 20% COVID-19 survivors continue to have symptoms or complications even 1 month after diagnosis. One study in Italy also suggested persistence of symptoms in 87.4% patients 60 days from onset of first symptom. First symptom appear होने के 60 days के बाद तक भी COVID-19 survivors में symptoms persist कर रहे हैं. With rising number of people experiencing prolonged symptom, British National Institute of Health and Care Excellence, also called NICE, NICE, has given 3 stages of COVID-19 recovery. COVID-19 recovery की ये 3 stages हैं. First, acute COVID-19, जो within 4 weeks after diagnosis का period है. Second, ongoing COVID-19, this time period is 4 to 12 weeks after diagnosis. And third stage is long COVID-19. It is over 12 weeks after diagnosis. What are these prolonged symptoms which appear in COVID-19 survivor? Fatigue, थकावट. It is the most common symptom जो continue रहता है, persist करता है after COVID-19 infection. According to a study in Ireland, half of all patients continue to have persistent symptom of fatigue 10 weeks after initial symptoms. 10 weeks के बाद तक भी half of the patients of COVID-19 थकावट महसूस करते हैं. Cardiopulmonary symptoms like shortness of breath, सांस लेने में दिक्कत होना, कफ एंड चेस्ट पेन जैसे सिम्टम्स भी कोविड-19 सर्वाइवर्स में बहुत ही कॉमन हैं. यूके की एक स्टडी में देखा गया है 60% पेशेंट्स जो जनरल मेडिसिन यूनिट में एडमिटेड थे एंड 72% पेशेंट्स जो इंटेंसिव केयर यूनिट में एडमिटेड थे, दे कंटिन्यूड टू शो शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ 4 to 8 weeks after hospital discharge. And a German group using MRI found that 78% patients had cardiac issue 2 to 3 months after recovery, जिसमें से 60% पेशेंट्स ऐसे थे जिनमें मायोकार्डियल इन्फ्लेमेशन देखा गया है. इनकी हार्ट मसल्स में सूजन पाई गई है. प्रोलॉन्ग्ड सिम्टम्स में नेक्स्ट है कॉमन न्यूरोलॉजिकल इश्यूज विच परसिस्ट इवन 3 months after diagnosis, and these neurological issues are headache, sensory loss जिसमें included है loss of vision, loss of hearing, loss of taste, loss of smell and even numbness means सुन हो जाना. Sensory loss के बाद other neurological issues are mobility challenges, Also, there can be memory loss, tremors और even cognitive impairment. याद रखने में भी दिक्कत देखी गई है कोविड-19 सर्वाइवर्स में. Gastrointestinal issues are seen very commonly in these patients. Prolonged viral fecal shedding, or you can say stomach upset हो जाना in common language, can occur even after negative nasopharyngeal swab testing, or you can say after negative COVID test. Further, dermatologic symptoms include hair loss. Hair loss is the predominant symptom जो 20% COVID-19 सर्वाइवर्स में रिपोर्ट हुआ है. एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स के फंक्शंस भी डीरेंज पाए गए हैं. Some of the survivors seem to be developing type 2 diabetes after they recover from COVID-19. What are the causes of these continued symptoms? These may be the continuation of the initial COVID-19 infection or entirely new yet separate post-COVID-19 syndrome. ये सिम्टम्स या तो इनिशियल कोविड-19 इन्फेक्शन के कॉन्टिन्यूएशन में अपीयर हो रहे हैं या ये एंटायरली नए तरीके से सेपरेट सिम्टम्स अपीयर हुए हैं, बट ओवरऑल कॉजेज आर स्टिल अनक्लियर. As the cause of these prolonged symptoms is a mystery, now let us see what can we do for the treatment. As such, there is no COVID-19 specific treatment recommendations after acute infection, and all focus is on treating the symptoms. सिर्फ symptoms को treat करने पर focus है हमारा. Treating chronic fatigue is difficult. सबसे पहले कारण पता करें fatigue का. fatigue क्यों हो रहा है? It may be due to disruptive sleep. आप ठीक से सो नहीं पा रहे हैं, either due to anxiety or due to pain or due to depression. In such cases, encourage patient to remain physically active. Ask him to awake during day and sleep only at night. There is 4P method also to treat chronic fatigue, and these are: number 1, planning. Plan your routine around the times when you have most energy. जब आपके अंदर ज़्यादा एनर्जी हो तभी काम करें. Second, pacing. Take your own time to do work. Third, prioritizing. Deprioritize tasks that are less important. जो ज़रूरी नहीं है वो ना करें. And fourth is positioning. Position items to be easy to reach and use. अपनी सभी चीज़ों को अपने आसपास ही रखें ताकि इजीली उन्हें यूज़ कर सकें. फॉर कार्डियोपल्मोनरी सिम्टम्स लाइक शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ, सांस लेने में दिक्कत, व्हाट टू डू फॉर दिस? डू ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेज एंड ऑल्सो ऑन रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ डॉक्टर go for supplemental oxygen if your body is unable to maintain oxygen saturation level. For cough, after consulting your doctor, you can take cough suppressants. For chest pain caused by costochondritis, जिसमें रिब्स को कनेक्ट करने वाली कार्टिलेज में सूजन आ जाती है, ऐसे केसेस में डॉक्टर्स आर गिविंग non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or you can say NSAIDs. And for the chest pain caused by bronchospasm, जिसमें सांस की नलियों की मसल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर जाती हैं, मसल्स टाइट हो जाती हैं, for this doctors are suggesting to inhale bronchodilators. So, rule out other causes of prolonged symptoms of COVID-19 after original diagnosis and focus on treatment of symptoms. In the end, I must say, new normal is today's demand. 2 गज की दूरी रखें और मास्क लगाएं to stay safe and healthy. So, that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you so much.